here's how you make a pom-pom. Now you can do this technique for really any size of pom-pom. The larger pom-pom you want, the more times you wrap this around your fingers, as I'm about to show you. Right here, we show a little pom-pom that is the flower. We make this at the very end with our yarn, and then we attach it at the end with either hot glue or with needle and thread. All right, so to do that, what I want you to first do is cut off a piece of your yarn that's about 5 inches, okay? And just lay that aside. Then you're going to take your remaining yarn, and with 2 fingers, you're going to wrap that around and around and around. Now for a smaller pom-pom, like a mini pom-pom, you may want to wrap it about, probably about 15 times. But there really is no rule for this. You just want to do it as full as you'd like. Now for a medium pom-pom or a large pom-pom, you may want to wrap it up to 20, 25, 30 times. It really is up to you. But in any case, this is how it's done. You wrap it around as many times as you wish, and then simply slide that off your fingers, cut off the extra tail there, okay? And then place that little bundle right in the middle of your 5-inch piece of yarn. Take that piece of yarn and wrap it around the center of those loops and tie it nice and tight. Cinch it up, right? I'm going to tie it in a knot, and now I want to take my scissors and cut those loops right down the middle, just like so. Now it's going to look a little wonky at first, but trust me, the more you work with this, the more it will look like a pom-pom. So again, on both sides, you're going to just snip those little loops till you have something that looks a little crazy like that. But at this point, that's when you want to give it a nice little trim. So I'm just going to go around and around and around until I get the shape that I'm after and the fullness that I'm after as well. Okay. Again, for a mini pom-pom, you're looking at about 15 wraps. For a medium or large pom-pom, you're going to probably do at least 25 to 30 wraps. It really is a personal preference. Okay, that's looking a little better, isn't it? We've got our little pom-pom. Now I can attach it to my project with needle and thread or a little bit of hot glue, and you're done.